Hello, it's Tuesday, August the 9th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. The US dollar strengthened against most of the major currencies after the US rating cut from AAA to AA+ by S&P. Wall Street closed negative as the Nasdaq declined by 6.90% and the Dow by 0.5%. Crude oil fell to $75.60 a barrel and gold jumped to $1,753 an ounce. Today, non-farm productivity is expected at minus 0.60% versus 1.80% previously, and the interest rate decision at 0.25% as anticipated. The euro fell against the US dollar to 141.28, rebounding to 142.18 during the Asian market. The euro dollar's momentum is bearish below 143, and next support on the daily chart is 140. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 141.28 and a high of 142.28. Today, German trade balance is expected at 11.50 billion versus 12.80 billion previously. The pound fell against the US dollar. As long as the pound dollar is trading below 163.50, the trend for the pound is bearish. Next support on the 1-hour chart is at 162, with the moving average indicator also supporting a downward trend. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 162.97 and a high of 163.36. Today, trade balance is expected at minus 8.20 billion versus minus 8.50 billion previously. Industrial production at 0.40% versus 0.90%, and manufacturing production at 0.20% versus 1.80% prior. The yen strengthened against the US dollar as concern about a US economic slowdown and the euro region's debt crisis spurred demand. The main trend of the dollar-yen is bearish. As long as the pair is trading below 750, the yen is the more attractive. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 77.04 and a high of 77.84. Today, tertiary industry activity index is expected at 1.10% versus 0.90% previously. The Canadian dollar fell to parity against the US dollar as crude oil slumped to $75 a barrel as fears of lower demand gripped the market for a second day. As long as the pair is trading above 0.9950, a long position is preferred. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9911 and a high of 0.9997. Today, housing starts is expected at 195,000 versus 201,000 previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.